Hi everyone, in front of me I've got FOSSiBOT F101 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using the device today. As you can see, in my case, it is almost 2 hours. The most of the time I've spent on the Chrome and the settings. You can also check the unlocks and the notifications count. And basically, ouch, we've got two different ways of checking some further details. So you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which will show you how much time you've spent on the screen in particular days. So you can tap on a day, you can compare with others, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. Let's go back. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example the Chrome. And as you can see, again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is slightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened also, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.